SB19's full speech and was up who's most likely game on day one of US fan meet. Aside from their performances, here's our boys having fun interacting with the fans on the day one of their US fan meet.
What is up, Is that the best you can do? Grabe yung energy ba? Pinas working good! Grabe.
Energy.
Bay Area! How are y'all doing? Yan na ba yung sagat nyo? Can you do more?
Alright.
You know, I really love the energy, but before we continue, we'd like to introduce the show. Welcome to I Was There! Wow. Okay, so I think we need to introduce ourselves. Right, 18? Right, 18?
Yes!
Okay, I'll start. Hi everyone! It's your boy Sal!
Yes! Woo! Yes!
What is up, Bay Area? My name is Pablo. What is up?
Let's
Good evening,
go!
everyone. I'm Justin.
That's Idols!
Good evening, Roman. This is Kenneth.
Yeah! That's my boyfriend, huh?
This is Josh.
Yeah! Yeah!
Bay Area, are you all excited for tonight?
Yes!
Are you guys excited? Like, really?
Yes!
We're very excited too.
You know?
Tagalog na kaya. I mean, Bisaya, pwede ba mag-Bisaya?
Bisaya! Oo! Bisaya!
Parang Bisaya, di ba?
Oh, yes! Ken! Yes! My Bisaya boy!
Very excited tonight because we're happy to celebrate things
That's
with
my
you guys.
boy right
This is
there!
Lollapalooza. To celebrate, right? And we hope this night will be,
That's my
unforgettable
boyfriend.
moment sa lahat. And of course, we prepared a lot for this. We're very excited to meet you guys. And finally, we're here tonight, so let's have some fun.
Yeah. But before we continue, kumustahan muna tayo? How are y'all doing?
Yeah!
Everybody ate their dinner?
No!
Oh my God, don't have food here. Okay lang, bulusugin na lang namin kayo tonight. Yeah! Right, 18, right?
At syempre, gusto namin malaman who among you guys na nakatulog ng saw? Sino na bukas?
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
That's good. Mga marami-rami rin. Yeah.
And speaking of being there, syempre alam niyo ba kung bakit I Was There ang title nitong fan meet namin?
Bakit?
Sabihin niyo lahat sabay-sabay, ano?
Bakit?
Bakit daw, Justin?
Saan ka naman mula sa akin?
This is, ikaw nga, Justin.
This is Justin!
Ah, he's so cute!
For us, this is really about being present and sharing these moments with you guys. Yes, from the shows, to music, and everything we experience together. Thank you.
Huwag mong getting your shows of it, wala naman dito ng lahat. You were there with us, and syempre tonight, we're here
Oops.
with all of you.
Wait!
And you know what? And how exciting it is to bring I Was There all the way here to the US and to the Japan! Sabi dun sa script, ganun siya. Ganun siya. Pero we're very happy to see you guys here. This is our first time to
mag-show dito ba? Ganun.
What happened to Ken? He left.
See all your beautiful
Right there, right there.
faces tonight. Magiging lahat ng pogi at gwapo. Thank you.
I'm speechless. But tonight, of course, we want to make the most out of it. So we're gonna do everything tonight.
Siyempre po, naghanda rin kami para sa mga performances na napanood din namin Lollapalooza. Ano ba ba kayo Lollapalooza? Who went to Chicago? What the? You was there.
I was there.
As you guys enjoyed our performance during Lollapalooza,
Yes!
we're gonna make sure na mas mag-enjoy kayo today.
Oh, yeah!
For sure. Yes, that's right.
Pero bago tayo mag-continue sa mga performances natin for tonight, syempre may ilang questions na inahanda para sa amin daw. At feeling ko, interesting ito. Wow, may mga questions na inahanda.
So, without further ado, let's see kung ano ang mga tanong na inihanda para sa amin. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Are you guys ready?
Yes!
All right, hello SB19. Thank you so much. You may now take your seats on the tour crates behind you.
Yes, Kuya.
Yes, thank you. Ako po si Kuya for today.
Very funny itong atake namin tonight.
Of course. Now,
Sumasagot siya. Wala sagot ka.
now
Kuya.
boys, now it's time for a short round table. Gusto niyo ba yun? A segment we call What's
What's up? Yeah! What's up? What's up?
Okay, I'll guide you through the conversation, okay? One question at a time. Anyone may answer first. Everyone else is welcome to jump in.
Even the audience?
Of course! No, just kidding. Anyways, ready for your question? SB19?
Yes!
Yeah.
18, are you ready?
Okay,
Sali si show.
for your first question. Who would win an argument against all four other members?
Wala! Wala!
Who do you think, guys? Who?
Pablo! Pablo! Pablo!
Ilan kayo? 3. 1, 2, 3. Pablo. Stel.
I think there would be two answers. You know, in a light setup, it would be Stel because he's gonna make jokes out of it. But in a serious setup, it would be Pablo because it's really technical and as a leader, you know.
Ending komedya pala ako.
All right, for your second question. Who is most likely to read 18 comments at 3 a.m.?
3, 2, 1, go!
Why me, Josh? Is Josh?
Josh.
I think it's Stel because Stel is always like chronically online.
Okay, then it's me, okay. Hi guys,
Do you
it's
guys
me.
believe me? Do you guys agree?
Hi guys, I'm the problem, it's me. Okay.
For your third question, if SB19 had a reality show,
Ooh.
who would create the most drama?
No, who?
1, 2, 3.
Justin. I think it's Josh.
Bakit?
But Justin will always instigate, you know, someone who's laughing on the side.
For me, it's Josh also.
Why?
I don't know. I mean, like, you get the
drama. Your life is full of drama.
you get the drama.
Okay.
All right, are you ready for
Alright.
your fourth question?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Here's your fourth question. Who would be the worst person to share a hotel room with?
Oh my God, may sagot na agad kami. We already have answer for this. Okay, everyone, 3, 2, 1.
Josh.
Ah, Josh? Bakit?
Because he's so loud.
Yeah, I think so too.
Like,
But
Who's your answer?
Me.
Oh, why you?
Because I always wake up early. Like I always go to the gym. So baka magising ko.
Oh,
I think
yeah,
that's a
that's
good
right.
thing.
Because
I think that's a good
I'm
thing.
always with him when we go to the gym.
Obviously.
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 Okay. So Josh ang sagot. Okay.
Because I snore a lot. But a good thing, nagsisipap na ako.
Akala ko ba P-pop? Ba't C-pop?
Good point.
But ano ba C-pop? Yun yung C-pop.
Actually, you know what? Medyo nawawala na nga yung ganun mo ngayon eh. Every time pag natutulog ka, hindi ka na...
Yes, yes.
Kasi kanya-kanya na tayo room eh.
Hindi mo na naririnig eh.
Tama.
Kanya-kanya na tayo room, di mo na nadidinig.
Hindi, kasi pag natutulog siya, wala na talaga.
Hindi na katulad dati.
Hindi na katulad dati na malakas.
Kasi hindi ka na rin natutulog, kaya wala na. Yun talaga.
Okay, next question, Mr.
Alright, here is your last question, boys.
Last na.
Who is most likely to start laughing at the absolute worst moment?
Yes! You guys are correct.
3, 2, 1, go!
Justin!
You know, it's because I'm a happy person.
You know what? He likes the suffering of all the people around him.
What?
I agree.
You rejoice and you enjoy whenever
I agree.
when someone is like hurting.
No, because I just want, you know, to make everything light. You know, I want to make people happy.
Shush!
And
Shush! Do you guys believe that?
because I'm too innocent for such serious matters, you know. So I thought it's funny, but it's not because I'm still young, you know. Still wild.
Do you guys agree? Do you guys agree? Oh, it's a 50-50 answer, so...
Thank you for the 50. Alright, now speaking of, like, I think we're spending too much time here right now. Because speaking of time, since we answered enough questions right now, why not let's start to sing time? Let's go for time.